Avada, not try to top the Avada and make it even better than the Avada, more quality ready than the Avada, but just make it maybe lesser on purpose than the Avada so that more people can buy it and start flying FPV, because not everybody is capable of flying FPV the FPV way, so a lot of people are going to want to jump into this thing, just like they do their DJI Mini 2 or Mini 3 these days, because that's where we're at now. Except the Mini 2 is going to be way, way cheaper than the Mini 2, so most people are going to buy themselves the Mini 2 or the Mini SE. And trust me, they will have a fun time with it. It is a great little bird. I love it. I still fly it all the time on the channel. And so that'll be cool. That'll be cool. Anyway, I am letting you guys experience the amazing thing that is driving at night when it's raining in traffic. And I'm so glad that you enjoyed it. And this is what I like to say, what happens when more and more businesses are opening up and forcing people to go back to work that didn't have to, right? Because they have that old mentality of the Elon Musk. Everybody must be at the office to work. Well, then pollution rises. And you're like, but most people in California, Mr. Market Reviews, ha ha ha, are driving electrical cars. But there's the problem of brakes and brake pads. Just because your car is not emitting gas doesn't mean the brake pads are not emitting particles into the atmosphere, into the air, into the lungs of people, causing them early deaths. That is not going to change no matter what car you do, which is why this is the cold hard truth. Kiss you in the morning, because it's the cold hard truth.
In 1.8 miles, turn right onto Border Avenue.
The sky and the mountains are blue, but are the mountains really blue? Maybe. It depends on the hue and the sun angle and all that stuff. Yay, yay. They could look, I'm not sure if they look purple